Hotkey, I hate this. Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am just going to be showing you a quick little tutorial since I haven't uploaded in a million years and I'm too lazy to play a game. So I'm just going to do a tutorial on how to get a Bukkit or Spigot server. So first thing you're going to want to do is go onto your desktop, right click, new folder, name it whatever you want. And now what we are going to want to do is we are going to want to go on get bukkit.org/download. And if you want Spigot, which I'm gonna do in this one, you're gonna hit this one, and if you want Bukkit, you're gonna hit this one. But I'm gonna do Spigot in this case, so I'm gonna hit the Spigot one. And now we are going to do 1.8 right here, 1.8. You see that? 1.8. Because I have a specific plugin I'm gonna show you guys with it. So now just wait for it to download. Hit keep. Okay, so now it finished downloading, so we're just gonna click and drag it into this folder. And just wait for it to move. Now you're gonna double click this, and then it's gonna give you these three things after you double click it. Now you're gonna hit this, and then you are going to change this to true. And now hit this little X right there, and hit save. Now you are going to want to hit it again. And here we go. Now we have all this kind of stuff, and you're probably going to be wondering, well, what is all this stuff? Well, I'm going to tell you. So basically, you have your logs, like for checking what happens on console. I'm going to show you how to make the console in a minute. Then you have your plugins, which is, like what you're going to... I'll show you. That's basically mods, but I'm going to show you what they do. You got your world, like basically the data for the world and everything like that. You got the nether world, the end world, and then everything else. So basically, oh yeah, and by the way, I'd recommend Spigot. So basically, now what you are going to want to do is you are going to want to open, you're going to want to right click, open new text, and you're going to name this run. And now open up your run, and you are going to want to hold up one second. So basically, now that I fixed this, you're gonna rename this. You guys won't have to do this if this is your first time ever doing this, but I will, soon, whatever. Basically, you can't have any spaces, so it's gonna have to be that. Now you're going to, like I said, you're gonna have to copy this part right here. So copy it, and then paste it right here. Now, guys, I'm going to want you to pause this video and take a good look at this part right here. This part is very important. Very important. Like, very, very. So, yeah, just look at this. And I'm going to paste it in the description of this video so that you can just copy and paste it. So, now you're going to X out of it and hit save. Now here, you're going to do run.txt there. And if you guys are wondering about the IP right now, don't worry, we'll get to that in a second. So now, there we go. Now here, we are going to do Minecraft but plugin. And now, like, you guys don't have to necessarily do this, but this is just what I am doing. So now I'm gonna download this. Keep. Just wait for it to finish. Okay, so now that this is all finished. Oh shoot, I didn't even realize what was there. So now we're gonna hit this, and Okay, this is stupid. I need to find which one. 1, 2. So it's the second one down. 1, 2. There we go. Now you're gonna want to move it into your plugins. And now to get the IP, I can't show this video since you guys would see my IP. So basically what you're going to want to do is open the command prompt. You're just going to do that by typing in your search command prompt, and then bam, it opens. So what you're going to want to do right here is you're going to want to type IP config space /all, and then it's going to give you something, one of them that has parentheses recommended behind it. That one is the one that you guys are going to want to copy and paste, like copy at least. You're gonna have to do the keyboard shortcut. Control C, and then to paste it is Control V. So yeah, you're basically gonna want to do that, and then after that, you have the IP. So now double click run.bat, and then it's gonna open this up, and then if it worked correctly, you should see all this kind of stuff. And it's gonna say done at the end. Now you're gonna opt yourself, obviously, because why wouldn't you? And now it's gonna opt that username, and now I am going to go into the server. Like, you can also access all the Minecraft commands right in here. Like, what's a Minecraft command that I can do? Slash. One. Like, I don't think you can do. You must specify which player you can to perform this action on. You see, it's just like playing in game, except you're gonna have to use this for like opping yourself on your server, which is basically making yourself like, you know, the owner of the server, gives you all the permissions to do like game mode. It's basically giving you cheats on the server. So yeah, now that you know how to do all that, now let's hop onto Minecraft and let's go and see if it worked. Alright, so now that we're on Minecraft, so you know that IP that I made you copy earlier? Well, here we have our server. I called it multiple servers because you can have multiple servers with the same IP. But basically, you're just going to click add server, and you're going to copy and paste the IP. But since I had that copied, of course, that was going to be the one that was there. But you're going to paste the IP, remember, hold down Control, and then press V. And then you can name it, you know, whatever you want. Like I did mine, multiple servers. But you can name it whatever you want. But basically, you can go onto that server now, and it should work. This is going great already. But basically, now you're gonna now to see if the plugin worked, you can already tell because the border. But just for further proof, I'm gonna do /mb, and bam, there's all the scenarios. On our if you're doing this certain plugin, another thing you can do is /Minecraft but you know, it's not like I really care what you do. And just for proof that it works, what's something that I could do? Death out, bedrock trail, the world slowly turns, world decay, no jump, raining blocks, everyone speed. Yeah, there. How about that? Now, wait a minute. Oh, actually I don't, because look, we've gone faster. So yeah, that's basically how you install a server and install plugins. So, and also, let's say, hold up. And also, let's say that the, I don't know, that the, what's a good thing that I could do? That the, oh, that the world blows up. So let me create English. I'll show you what to do. So basically, that's going to do whatever, and then we're going to go into Task Manager, and you'll see, you might see, Java here, but mine isn't there, so we can do delete, and then just double click your thing again, and then 3, 2, 1, it generates a new world for you. And yeah, so that's basically how you make a Minecraft server. This was probably a long video, but yeah, see you in the next video, which will probably be in our million years. Bye!